I'm going to install some shower accessories to show you how easy it is. For example, you want to hang your shaver. We got these little suction cups on the back. And just stick them on the wall. It can't be any easier than this. And if you want to put your shampoo and stuff on here, take a look at these. These have little push tabs on them. Look, when you push that all the way in, that's when you know it's installed. Of course, one of my favorites, you know, you gotta wet the backs of these, is a soap dispenser. Okay, just push it on. Put your bar of soap on there. And lastly, to hang your washcloth, you can buy these at all kinds of places, big box stores. And you don't have to hire a carpenter. You can do this yourself. Look, you see the red line here? When you push that all the way in, and it takes, then you know it's installed. Okay, thank you very much.